Welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Sianchi Jain and today we will see report bursting. What do you mean by report bursting? By report bursting, we mean that as of now we were preparing reports. So after preparing reports, we need to send it to or publish it to specified recipients who are in need of those reports. So the process of sending the reports through email or by library is known as report bursting. We can send reports also and books also through bursting, but what we cannot send through bursting is report package. We can send combine various reports and send to the specified recipients who are in need of such reports. So let's get started and see how to send reports to the specified recipients. This is my narrative report application. We will go to bursting definition. I've already prepared the report. Now we will just see how to send those reports to the required users. We'll click on plus sign, that is add. Bursting artifacts, we will click on select. Here I need to save my report in this predefined folders so that when I will go to bursting definition, I can have my report. I can select my report. So my report is been saved in management folder, and this is my report, balance sheet report. We'll select it and click on OK. Now, this is the name of my report, new balance sheet report 08 August. Bursting POV dimension is optional. Global dimension is also optional. Now, there are various ways which we can send a report, that is the PDF format and the Excel, but I will choose PDF. Then success notification, we will click on edit. What is success notification? Success notification, by success notification, we mean that when my reports are sent and they are sent successfully, it will provide the sender the email that your reports have been sent successfully. So being the sender, I will provide my email so that when the reports are sent to the required recipients, I get the email notification that my reports have been sent successfully. So I will click on this plus and I will click on OK. Okay. Now failure notification, similar to success notification, is this failure notification. When my reports are not sent, I mean my report sending has been failed, then also it will provide me notification that your reports have been failed, so that I am aware that my reports have been sent or not. So I will click on OK. In both the cases of success and failure of the reports, I will get the notification for the same. So I provided my email ID for in success notification and failure notification, that is sender's ID. Now we have two methods to send the reports, that is email and library. So let's take the email method first. By email, users will get the notification of the same. Well, we'll get the email basically. So in distribution list, we will click here and we will provide the email IDs of the recipients to whom we want to send the report. So I will provide few email IDs. I will click on add. I will click on add. There's something error. Now I will click on add. So I've added 3 email IDs and I will click on OK. Now I will provide the attachment name. I will provide few artifacts, just like artifacts name, attachment name, date and time. Now bursting email, I will click on compose. Here I will write the subject. Like we provide the subject in the email, similarly we will provide the subject for the same. Let's write the subject as balance sheet report. so that when the recipient receives the mail, they will have the subject name as balance sheet report. We can provide the message also. Let's click on OK and then just save it. Let's give the name to the bursting definition. Bursting report underscore email, so that we can differentiate which report we have sent through email and which through library. And I'm saving this report in my library folder. So I will click on save. Now I will go to actions and validate my report to see whether there is any error or not. As we could see that no red sign or line has came, that means my report has been validated. I will again click on actions. Now I will execute it. Bursting is running in the background. You will receive a notification once it is complete. We will click on OK. We will get the email for the same. I've received the email. Let's see whether my report has been successful or it's a failure. We could see that my status has been completed successfully. That means the email has been sent to the recipient of whom I have given the email ID. Then this completed. Result is the generated reports were successfully sent via email. If it was sent by library, the status would have been that it has been successfully sent via library. Then artifact effects, you can see library management, balance sheet report 08 August. And we have the time for the same, when we have when it got started and when it is finished. So this was, we have email method through which we have sent the report. Now let's go to library, see the library method. We will untick the email and select the library. Rest the process is same. We will select the we will choose the success notification and provide the email ID of the sender. Similarly, for failure notification also, we will provide the email ID of the sender. Now in library, we will provide the user list. User list we have in the in our system. Let's provide Fanta. We will select it and provide it to the right column. Then next is Carol. We will select it and move to right column, and then we will click OK. When we click OK, we will provide the artifact names and date and time in the attachment folder, attachment name, sorry. Then root folder is the place where we'll save this report. So let's save it in reporting. We have the predefined set of folders in which we will save. So let's save in reporting and click on OK. And we will click on override. Patch hierarchy is optional. Again, we will save. This time we will save as. We will click on save as report. Now we will save as library. Location will be same. Save. Now again I will go to actions. Validate my report. As no red line has came, that means my report has no errors. We'll go to execute. We'll click on OK and see whether our bursting is successful or not. We could see that status is completed successfully, and then we could see that the successfully saved the file in the library location. This is the location which we provide. This is the artifact and it name of the report and time and date which we have selected. Now let's see in the library folder whether it has been saved or not. We will close it. Yes. We will go to library and our report was saved in reporting folder. So we will search for the same report packaging. This is reporting. See, new balance sheet report to 8th August with time and date. We could see it in our reporting folder. That means our bursting process has been completed. That's all for today. For any queries, please reach out us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.